Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have started the portion from your unit 3, that is the interview, in which a boy named Ramu, he is preparing for an interview to be held to get the admission in the school. So there was a little argument between Ramu and his sister, but that was a funny argument. So students, from here today we are going to study Akka. It's a in a serious tone. Hey, which world are you living in? You think admission letter drops into one's lap on its own? Forget it. You must know the answers to the question the members of the board ask. So his sister tells him that it was older time that you can easily get admission, but nowadays no one is going to do this magic to you. You are supposed to answer the questions of the people sitting in the sitting as the members of the board. Ramu instantly responds, nobody ever knows all the answers. Then Ramu said that no one knows all the answers. Then sister, tell that to board. Then okay, fine. If you think so that nobody ever tells all the answer, then go and tell that to the board. Board means group of members. Ramu sighs, that's the trouble. If only I knew the questions the members will ask. Akka in a soothing tone, poor Ramu. Ramu, I am not poor, my girl. He reaches out for her plaited hair. She ducks, moves off giggling. Ramu smiles to himself and starts checking up some facts from the atlas. So again they started doing silly things. And then Ramu, after Akka went, Ramu again he started studying for the interview. Scene 2. Now scene 1 completed. Scene 2. On a bench set along a wall are sitting a number of boys. So there was a scene that a number of boys were sitting over there. They were all about 9 years old. That is all that is common among them. Otherwise they all were different, but one thing was common, that they were all 9 years old. They are of all hues and shapes and sizes, means they all looked quite different from each other. Ramu walks in, surveys the group, wonders whether he could beat them and get admission. Then Ramu, as he went there, he just observed that what kind of people are sitting there. His eyes glint when he spots a familiar face. He moves up to the boy sitting. Balu, you hear? Sorry, Balu, you hear? Balu greets Ramu. They sit side by side. Then he felt happy. He saw a boy he knew. Then they both sit together. That is scene 2. Now, Ramu happily. So your papa too has been transferred? Then Ramu asked his friend, so your papa has also been transferred? Balu growls, you said it. Papas are transferred and we face admission tests. Lucky are those whose papas are never transferred. Then Balu was quite sad. He said, yes, papa always get transferred and children they has to face admission test. Those children are lucky whose papas are never transferred. Then Ramu, if wishes were horses. Balu, in mock anger you are calling me a fool. So they both were just talking to each other. Ramu lowers his voice, that we all are. Take for instance this experience. Does anyone know the answers to all the questions one can possibly ask? It is easy to ask question, anyone can do that, but when it comes to answers, almost everyone is a fool. Then, in a low voice, he said, we all are fools, only you are not fool, we all are fool. You can take the example, this time, this experience we are facing, everyone is present here, but we all are not able to answer all the questions, so we all are fool. It is easy to ask questions, but it is difficult to give answers. So everyone is a fool. Balu, All of us are fools. Fools are in a majority. The board will have to see who among us are less foolish. So Balu said, yes, we all are fools. So many fools are here. Board, member of the board, they have to find out who is a less foolish person among us. They stop on hearing the tangy voice of a young man. He is the clerk. In his left hand is a writing pad. He calls out the names of the boys. One by one they respond. Then he smiles at them, calls the name Arun. A boy stands up. Then they stopped talking when a clerk came and started talking to them. So he was carrying a writing pad and he took their attendance. He asked their names or kind of, and then he called one boy Arun. Clerk, come with me, Arun, over to the boardroom. The man leads Arun out. Then that clerk, he took Arun with him to the boardroom. Balu, jokes, their jokes. For the first lamb for the slaughter means पहला बकरा कटने के लिए चला गया. Okay. Ramu giggles. 19 more to go. 19 are there also. 19 will also go afterwards. Balu in light humor. How sharp will the knife be when one of us walks in the presence of the selectors? Ramu, I prefer a sharp knife to a dull one. It is better to be cut down in one stroke than to receive several blunt blows. So Ramu was saying it is better कि एक ही बारी में काट दिया जाए बार बार कटने से अच्छा. दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन एक ही बारी में डिफ़िकल्ट पूछ लो, बार बार छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन पूछने से अच्छा. सो दे वर डिस्कसिंग दीज थिंग्स. Ramu is the last candidate. He follows the clerk into the room. Seated around the table are three men. A man who occupies the chair in the center is old. He has a mop of thick grey hair. He adjusts his spectacles and peers at Ramu intently. Ramu greets him, "Good morning, sir." Then he notices the other two middle-aged gentlemen and repeats, "Good morning, sir." So now scene 3. Ramu was the last one to go to the interview room. And when he went to the interview room, there were three men sitting over there. So description of those three men is also given over here. The headmaster, in a firm yet friendly tone, "Good morning, Ramu, take your seat." Then the headmaster replied. Ramu whispers to himself, so the lamb to the slaughter is offered a seat. "Thank you, sirs." Then he just whispered that to himself that they are going to cut a lamb, but firstly they are offering him a seat. Then he replied, "Thank you, sirs." The headmaster, "Where are you studying earlier?" Ramu, "Mother's School, Madurai." The headmaster, "Like the school?" Ramu, "I was happy there." The headmaster, removing the spectacles off his ears and scratching his nose, "Why then you do seek admission here?" So general questioning was there. They were asking about the previous school of the boy Ramu. Ramu replied, "I was quite happy there." Now they were asking about the reason why he came there. Ramu, "My father is a government official. He has been transferred to this town, Tiruchi." "Which is the best thing in this town?" Warming up. The Uchi Palyar Kobil, the temple of Lord Ganesha, atop a hillock. I ran up to the steps and had a grand view of the town. Then they asked about the best thing in the town from Ramu, and Ramu told the answer. He told the answer properly. So students, up to here only we will study today, and in the next video we will see how smartly Ramu was answering them. Okay students, revise the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.